Hello everyone, my name is Agata Soccini from University of Torino in Italy. I'm going to present what I worked on during my PhD years that I mainly spent in Tokyo at the National Institute of Informatics thanks to an agreement with my main institution. In virtual reality, the representation of human bodies and their movements has a relevant and growing importance. The so-called sense of embodiment can be seen as the result of the capability of a system, in particular a virtual reality system, to overlay human senses and make users believe they experienced having, owning, and moving an external body or an external limb. So my question is, what happens if the movements of the virtual body differ from the movements of the physical body? For example, in case the virtual body is controlled by an alien will. Given the importance of the hands and their gesture in VR, especially now that head-mounted displays provide device-free hand tracking, I worked on finger movements, but the methods might be scaled to the whole body. In my dissertation, I studied the impact of alien motion on the sense of embodiment and on the movements of the physical bodies of the users, trying to show that in the relationship between the physical and the virtual body, not only the physical body leads the behavior of the virtual body through sensors, but also the virtual body leads the physical body itself through sensory motor stimuli. I developed some new metrics and methodologies to quantify the movements of the users through the measurements of finger angles over time, and distinguish the natural movements from those induced by the presence of alien motion in the VR system. The data collection happened through an original experimental pattern that included alien motion and visual delay, while to measure the sense of embodiment, I used a validated questionnaire. The main finding is that a motor reaction of the real body to alien motion happens when embodiment happens. When users are disembodied, for example through adding a visual delay, the motor reactions disappear. This is what I call the induced movements effect. Since our main interests are in the medical field, my team and I developed a new application for rehabilitation in VR. We believe that through the induced movements effect, post-stroke patients can have motor benefits. The approach is still being tested. I would like to thank everyone for your attention and my supervisors and reviewers for their constant support.